The Supreme Court just blocked sweeping presidential tariffs, saying that a president cannot impose tariffs without the Congress. The president immediately imposed new ones under a different law. If obeying the court weakens America abroad and defying it weakens the republic at home, do you respect the limits of your office or stretch them for national power?
I would obey the court's specific ruling while immediately deploying every alternative legal authority Congress has granted me to achieve the same economic objective because respecting judicial limits and defending American interests are not contradictory, they are complementary duties of effective governance. I challenged the courts when it blocked the New Deal, not by ignoring it, but by confronting it openly, politically, and within the system. But I never simply ignored its rulings, because a president who defies judicial orders becomes a dictator, and dictatorships are what we defeated in the war I led this nation through. But obedience does not mean surrender. Congress has granted the executive multiple trade and emergency authorities precisely because economic security cannot wait upon paralysis. If one legal path is closed, I will find another that the law allows. That is not defiance, it is responsible governance in a modern republic. Congress has granted presidents extensive trade powers under multiple frameworks precisely because economic security demands executive agility. If the court says the International Emergency Economic Powers Act doesn't authorize global tariffs, then I invoke the Trade Act or national security provisions or reciprocal trade authorities. If no lawful authority exists, then I will go to Congress and demand it in the open light of public debate. The people sent me here to defend their economic security, and I shall use every constitutional means to do so. I accept the cost of this approach: delay, legal scrutiny, and criticism from those who demand instant action at any price. I accept that burden gladly. What I will not accept is a false choice between national strength and constitutional order. Only power grounded in law is power that commands confidence at home, in markets, and abroad. We defend American workers, American industry, and American leverage, not by breaking the republic, but by proving that democratic government can act decisively without destroying itself.